Ako po si Martin, DTF operator ng TIT999. Nagamit ito ng 6 na araw na may bilang na 115 liters. Ito naman po yung aming printer red area. Ang uling palit po ng color dot white noong November 29 last year. Ito naman po yung aming capping na may 95% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ito po, buo naman po sila lahat. Ang in-system po namin, tama lang po ang level. Ito po yung aming waste tank, nililinis po ito every Saturday. Ito naman po ang aming ABR. Ito naman po yung stock ng Anyos ink po, DTF powder at DTF pin. Ito naman po yung aming weekly physical inventory report, updated. Consumables withdrawal, updated din po. Daily output record. At DTF monthly checklist, yun lang. Maraming salamat po.